What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Sarah and I am a teacher.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to become a doctor.
Do you have a best friend?
I speak French and English.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually spend time with my family, watch movies.
What is your favorite hobby and why?
My favorite hobby is reading books because it helps me learn English.
What are your future goals?
My future goal is to get a good education and build a successful career.
What is your favorite book or movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter because it is full of adventure.
How do you spend your holidays?
During holidays, I like to relax, visit new places, spend time with my family.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to pop and soft music because it helps me relax.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place to visit is the beach. I love the sound of the waves and the air.
What are your strengths?
I believe my strengths are honesty, hard work, and patience. I always try my best.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating healthy food, drinking plenty of water, and exercising regularly.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually spend some time with my family and relax by watching videos or reading books.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a successful and confident person with a good career.
What is your biggest dream?
My biggest dream is to become successful in my career and live a happy life.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I do. I love traveling. It allows me to explore places, meet different people.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading books. I enjoy reading because it improves my knowledge.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because it is an international language. It helps me communicate easily.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like watching educational videos, reading books, singing, and watching TV.
What are your future plans?
My future plan is to complete my education, build a successful career, and become financially stable.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up early, brush my teeth, have breakfast, and prepare for my day. Starting the day.
Do you enjoy watching TV?
Yes, I do. I enjoy watching TV because it helps me relax and learn new things.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango because it is sweet and delicious. It is one of the fruits.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do. I enjoy shopping for clothes, books, and useful items. It is always exciting.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at around 6 a.m. because I like to start my day early and have enough time.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is when I can spend quality time with my family, relax, and visit places.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Yes, I do. Reading newspapers helps me stay informed about current events and learn.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is popcorn because it is light, tasty, and to eat while watching TV. Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Yes, I do. I enjoy outdoor activities such as walking, playing, sports, and spending time.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram because it provides educational content, entertainment.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I do. Photography allows me to capture special moments and beautiful scenes that
What is your biggest achievement so far?
my biggest achievement is successfully reaching an important goal through work.
What is your favorite way to relax?
My favorite way to relax is by listening to music, watching videos, or spending quiet time.
What is your favorite childhood game?
My favorite childhood game was Hide and Seek because it was fun, exciting.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated by setting goals, working hard, and reminding myself of the future.
What is a skill you would like to improve?
I would like to improve my English speaking skills because better communication can help me.
What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I complete my work, spend time with my family, and sometimes watch TV.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling because I can visit new places.
Who inspires you the most?
My parents inspire me the most because they work hard and never give up.
What is your favorite subject?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cooking simple meals and trying new recipes. Whenever I have free time,
What is your favorite festival?
my favorite festival is Christmas because it brings happiness, lights, and celebrations.
Do you like waking up early?
Yes, I do. Waking up early helps me stay organized and gives me more time to complete my work.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is fresh orange juice because it is healthy, refreshing, and delicious.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I do. Learning new things helps me grow and makes life more interesting.
What is your favorite memory from school?
My favorite memory from school is participating in events and spending fun moments.
What is something you are proud of?
I am proud of the progress I have made in my studies and the goals I have achieved.
What do you like most about your hometown?
I like the friendly people and the peaceful environment of my hometown.
What is your favorite way to spend a Sunday?
I like spending Sundays relaxing, watching movies, and enjoying time with my family.
What motivates you to work hard?
My dreams and my family motivate me to work hard and achieve success in life.
How do you stay healthy?
I stay healthy by eating balanced meals, drinking enough water, and getting proper sleep.
Why is happiness important in life?
Happiness is important because it helps us enjoy life, stay positive.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I take some rest, listen to music, or spend a little time relaxing.
What is your favorite place?
I like Disneyland. There is too much adventure and roller coaster and many fun things.